Nanababo kabalyan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Luwin. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. Today's vlog is different from what we used to do. Instead of introducing you food and grocery goods that are being sent or delivered to our house, we are going to talk about a delivery service. It's called Mart Express Pampanga. It is no doubt that delivery services and businesses are exploding mainly because of these 4 reasons. Number 1, not everyone is allowed to go out of their houses. This is a protocol. It is a quarantine protocol we need to follow. Number 2, we want to stay home because we want to stay away from being exposed to the virus. In other words, safety. We want safety. Number 3, we want to avoid the hassle of traffic, checkpoints, and queuing lanes of supermarkets and restaurants. And lastly, number 4, we want to save our precious time and gasoline. Now, Express Mart Pampanga solves that problem for their clients. Here's how they do it. First, the customer or client contacts them on their social media accounts. They can be reached via Instagram or Facebook or SMS. No need to download any mobile applications. Then, the client sends the grocery list or the goods they wish to buy. Once the list is confirmed, Express Mart Pampanga will go to the grocery or shop within their preferred stores. While they are completing the client's list, they will communicate with them for an item availability or price update if needed. Meaning, habang nag-grocery sila or binibili yung item mo, there is a constant or regular communication with them with regards to any concerns sa item included dun sa list. Finally, when the list is completed, they will send a confirmation to the client before paying to the cashier. Please take note that there will be no more cancellation of orders once the goods are paid. Mart Express Pampanga used to be a grocery delivery service for large supermarkets such as SNR, WalterMart, and ShopWise. But now they have expanded their service to other food stores such as Taste from the Greens, Dunkin Donuts, Conti's, Shakey's, Nathaniel, Macao Imperial, LA Bakeshop, as of just recording this vlog. So how do clients pay for their orders? Mart Express Pampanga accepts cash on delivery or bank-to-bank transfer. So again, here are the benefits of Mart Express Pampanga delivery services. First, no price markup on any of the products you wish to buy. Meaning kung ano yung price ng item mo sa store, yun lang ang babayaran mo. You can save time, gas, and the hassle of doing the grocery errand. You can also stay safe at home. And take note, this amazing service has a rate starting at 59 pesos only. No minimum and maximum amount of grocery. So, if you're interested to try their service, here are the information to know. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. If you do like this video, if you do like to try the service of Mart Express Pampanga, please give this video a like. Make sure to check out their fan page as well and give them a support, give them a like, and share this to your friends, mga nangangailangan po ng delivery service dito sa Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Stay safe and goodbye.